So now you can see the results of good housekeeping inside the fan housing area where the motor no longer is dirty. Therefore, the potential of this motor overheating and catching fire has been greatly reduced. The infiltration of loose dirt particles into the airstream has been greatly reduced as well because of just simple housekeeping of vacuuming the housing section. So this is a very important aspect of preventive maintenance. If it's performed routinely, then you will avoid potential problems of burnt out motors, perhaps even catching on fire, and the infiltration of dirty air into the airstream. And as you can see, this is all after the filter system. So that's the end of this.